Chery's new model Omoda 5BX comes with 18-inch alloy wheels. This vehicle comes with LED headlights and taillights, adaptive cruise control, rear-view camera with parking sensor, leather upholstery, with electrically adjustable driver's seat, keyless entry and start. Ambient lighting. It is equipped with a wireless phone charger, a 1.5-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 1.5-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving on to another model, the Omoda 5EX, the car adds an electric trunk lift, panoramic sunroof, surround view camera, heated front seats and steering wheel, red brake calipers, ambient lighting in the second row, and an array of LED puddle lights and welcome lights. 18-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, adaptive cruise control, rear view camera with parking sensor, Fox leather upholstery with electrically adjustable driver's seat, ambient lighting, wireless smartphone charging, 1.5-inch digital instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Motorized, it is equipped with a 1.5-inch infotainment system, with trunk lift, panoramic sunroof, surround view camera, heated front seats and steering wheel. All in all, the Chery Omoda 5 offers buyers excellent value for money. Power in the Omoda 5 is provided by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing a modest 115 kilowatts of power and 230 nanometers of torque, transmitted to the front wheels via a CVT automatic. As a complete package, the Omoda 5 feels like it's a few big steps behind its competitors, as active safety features like the lane keeping system require great care. The Chery Omoda 5 has fuel economy figures rated at 6.9 L100 km in the combined cycle, making it relatively fuel efficient for a naturally aspirated four-cylinder. Perhaps the Chery Omoda 5's strongest selling point is the interior design and packaging, which benefits from a particularly generous hardware list for the price. Second-row passengers get child seats as well as a set of vents, map pockets, and a USB port for mounting a pair of Isofix anchors and 3 top tethers. Finally, the Chery Omoda 5 has a 360 liters trunk, which is on the smaller side of things for the segment and expands to 1,075 liters with the rear seats folded down.